Hello, everyone. As you know, the number of COVID cases are going up in BC. So there is a new public health order by Dr. Bonnie Henry in BC. It started November 7th at 10 p.m. and it will continue until November 23rd at 12 p.m. Now, what is this order? So this order is for Fraser Health Region and Vancouver Coastal Health. So it's for Burnaby, Coquitlam, Surrey, New Westminster, Vancouver, North Shore, Richmond, Sunshine Coast, and more. So by this order, you shouldn't travel unless it's essential, unless it's very, very important. For example, if you have to work or if you have a doctor's appointment, but don't travel for vacation or for fun. You can stay with people in your core bubble. Now, what's a core bubble? People who live in your house, like your family or your roommates, or maybe one or two very close family or friend who live in a different house. But that's it. Don't see your friends outside, inside, or outside. So no social gatherings inside your house or outside of your house. It's okay to go for a walk, go to a movie, or to a restaurant, but only with people in your core bubble. You can't go to a yoga class. You can't play sports indoors. You can't go to a spin class, again, indoors. If you break the law and these rules, you may be fined $200 or $2,000. Thank you for paying attention to the rules.